Hello friend, today we have another question and it is very interesting question and this question is asked in many company as you can see in company tag LinkedIn. Okay, LinkedIn is a very big company. Uh, the question says that search a node in BST means uh, we have given one node and we have to search in a binary search tree. Okay. The question says that given the root of a binary search tree and a node value key, return true if the node with value key is present in the BST, otherwise return false. Means you have given one binary search tree and you have checked the key. If key is present, then you have to return a true, otherwise return a false. Let's do the dry run first, then I will write the code. Dry run is always important. Suppose here, we have taken. Suppose here key is 8, okay, and it is a BST, binary search tree. So how we can check? First I will do to go through the each node and check if it has the value, then return true, otherwise return false. So the first brute force approach is brute force. Brute force approach 8. I will go and check here. This value is equal to 8. No, I will go here and check. This value is not equal to 8. Okay, I will come here and go here. Yes, this value is equal to 8. In that case, it will return true. Hmm, okay, and here, what is the time complexity? The time complexity of each here the time complexity is big O of n because we are visiting each and every node. Okay, but it is a BST. You have think like that binary search tree. Hence, in BST, the node value is greater than left value, and node value is a smaller than or equal to right value. Okay, means this one is greater than left and a smaller than right value. So here you can search in this manner. Suppose the optimized way. Hmm. Optimize, optimize, optimization or optimize. Suppose here 8. This one, if root is less than if root is less than 8, so there may be a possibility we will get the value here. Then I will go right. And if root 8 is equal to 8, then return true, then I will return true. So here the time complexity become log n. Okay. Hmm. So it is a good time complexity and optimized time complexity also. So here what I will do, there is one method solve that will contain root and key here. If root equal to null, then return false, and if root dot data equal to key, in that case return true. Hmm. Here I will check condition like if root dot data is smaller than key, so check if so key is greater, then it will go to call the method solve root dot write and key. If this one is true, then return true. If root dot data is greater than key, else case, what I will do, check if solve root dot left comma key. If here it will return true. If the condition is satisfied, then return true. Otherwise, return false. That's it. Here I make the root and key. If root equal null, return false. Means in a binary tree, in a BST, I didn't get the key, so I will return the false. If root dot data equal to key, in that case means this key is available in a BST, then I will return true. Okay. Suppose root dot data is a smaller than key. So in that case here 6 is a smaller than 8. So we have to move to the right side. So here I call solve root dot right comma key. If key is if root dot data equal to key, then it will return true. So here if I will get the true, then it will return true. Else case, no, suppose if root dot data is greater than key, so there may be a possibility on left side the key is exists. So I will check solve root dot key root dot left comma key, and if I will get the return true, then it will return true, just like base case. Otherwise, if we are not able to find the data in a BST, so it will return false. Okay. Now I will write the code in compiler and check it. The time complexity of this approach is log n. Okay. Here, suppose here. hmm, First, what I will do, if if root equal to null, in that case I will return simply false. Okay. If root dot data equal to key, then I will return true. Okay. Suppose if root dot data is smaller than key, so in that case I will check search search search. I will call the search method and I will pass it. Key is greater, then it will go search in right side and key. If I will get the true, then return true. Okay. Suppose I find the data here, then it will call right side and here root dot data equal to true. Then here we will get the true value. Then I will return the true. Else if search root dot left comma key. Suppose root dot data is greater than key, so we have to search in left side. That's why I am searching in left side root dot left comma key. If it will get a return true value, then it will also return true. If suppose if we are not able to search the data search a key in BST, in that case we will return false. Okay. Hmm. Now compile. I am going to compile and run the code. Yes, we are getting the expected output. Now I am going to submit the code. Yes, all test case is passed. This is a way to learn the DSA. You have to put some effort to do the code, and within 2 to 3 months you will able to solve easy and medium level of code. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye. See you in next video.